Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the battery options, which is right here, battery and device care. Let's tap on it and tap on the battery. Now let's scroll down and tap on more battery settings, and as you can see, on the third position we've got show battery percentage option. So let's tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it is actually immediately applied. So from now on we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.